so excited about this video I'm going to do for you today. I have always wanted to do one of these and just never have, and I enjoy watching them. I love hearing, you know, different people's takes on the fragrances, so hopefully I'll be able to show you a little bit about some of the new holiday scents. But today we are doing a Grove collaborative haul, so I hope you're excited too, and let's get on into it. Grove Collaborative is a company where you can get lots of different cleaning products in one place. And one thing that these products have in common is they are all a little bit cleaner, greener, a little bit better, more for the planet, and then also for yours and your family's well-being. But you know, no cleaning products are going to be completely chemical free, but I do believe that there are some that can be a little better than others. First thing I want to show you is this really cute caddy, and it can hold all your cleaning stuff. I already have like another one, a gray one, but I really liked this white one too, and they have all kind of different colors. I don't remember all the different colors right offhand, but it just really makes it convenient when you're going room to room. You can put whatever you need in here that you need to carry, cleaning, you know, bedrooms and things like that. So, or you can have like one in your bathroom, one in your kitchen, one that you carry around the bedrooms, but however you want to do it. This is the bathroom, and it's the AntiBack is what it's called, and it is the spearmint scent. Says kills 99.9% of household germs, so it is antibacterial. And one thing about this, you can use it on bathroom surfaces, sinks and fixtures, tubs, glazed tile, toilet seats. So at first I was very surprised by the scent. I was like, I just wasn't used to that for a bathroom. But now I love it, and it's like if I do use something different, it just don't seem as clean or smell as clean or something. But yeah, at first it reminded me of like chewing gum, like spearmint chewing gum. So but now I do. I love it. This is wonderful stuff. One of the holiday scents that they have with Mrs. Meyers is the peppermint scent. And they have this, you know, in all of the different things. The dishwash. This is the dishwash. They have the hand wash, the countertop spray, the room freshener. They have candles. A lotion. I have a hand lotion that you can put with your hand soap, and so this is a very popular one. Peppermint and sweet kind of smell, very fresh, very clean, just like peppermint, and so that's nice. This is what the countertop spray looks like, and this is the orange clove scent, and I didn't know how much I would like it because sometimes I'm not a big orange fan, but this was mixed with clove. It's like a hint of spice, citrus, you know, it's not overwhelming though, so I'll be excited to try that one. This is probably what I'll use when I decorate, when I'm doing my you know, cleaning and decorating for Christmas. This smell was the very first scent that I got from Mrs. Meyers from Grove, and I just fell in love with it. It's one of those scents that takes you back to a memory or a time, and now that we are moving into a different home, it reminds me of my old home a lot, but it's just so clean and fresh, has the right amount of spice to it, the right amount of like a fir Christmas tree scent. This is the Iowa Pine, and this is the hand soap, And I just can't help it. I gotta smell it. Oh, it just smells so good. It reminds me of when I first started using Grove. I know, I get a little sentimental about crazy things. But it just smells so good. I was using it at my mom's the other weekend, doing a little cleaning for her, because I do some of that now. And some of our family that was there was like, what does that smell? I mean, they could smell it right away. So it is strong, but it lingers. Okay, so what I did, I showed you different items, but I did show you like what they are in the different products. But I did get the whole line of those as part of a VIP. And actually, you could get something if you decided that you wanted to. They do have a promotion where if you use my link in the description box below, you can get a free gift set with your first order. And with Grove, you do have a monthly subscription. However, you don't have to receive something every month. You can go in and change your date anytime, and that's what I do. I normally get like a big order at the different seasons and get the new scents for that season, and then I stretch it out over those months. So each month I go in and I change my shipment date to the next month or the next month, and that way I'm not getting shipped stuff every month that I didn't order or don't need. So that is a way that you can handle that membership if you were interested. But I just wanted to let you know that there is that promotion there where you can get a free gift set. And I believe it's like a 5-piece gift set. I think that's what it was. So this is also one of the winter holiday Christmas time scents, and it is called Snowdrop. Snowdrop. And so this one, oh yeah, it smells so good. But I will say this is more of a florally scent. If any of you are familiar with the holiday scent, the fall one, the Mom, it kind of reminds me of Mom and maybe Peony, maybe. All right, so I'm so excited about using the Snowdrop scent. It smells amazing. I'm pretty sure though for my actual Christmas decorating, I'm going to be using Iowa Pine. This is one of their glass bottles, spray bottles, because they're big on trying to cut back on plastics, you know. And if you know you're going to have plastics, if you're able to recycle, please try to recycle. But this I think is a great alternative. This is one of their glass spray bottles, and I have these for different things. You can do labels on them. Alright, so this is their spray bottle, and it is glass. It has a silicone piece on it that gives it some protection around the bottom. And you can mix up your own cleaners in here. They also have different cleaners you can use, and I have, yeah, here it is. They also sell like concentrates. This is an all-purpose cleaner concentrate, the orange and rosemary, where you can put it all in here and then fill it up with water, and you can use that. Okay. Well, they got it packed really good. So this is the stoneware tray. This is something you can sit at your sink and put your different soaps on there, or cleaning pad, whatever you want to put on there, you can do that. And it just keeps everything real nice and neat and organized. This is a bamboo prep board. Perfect size for what I need in my kitchen. And you know, bamboo is also better as far as when you talk about wood cutting boards, as far as, you know, keeping it clean and like bacteria not soaking in or anything. So I was so excited to get this one as my free gift. Excited about that. Okay, so I found one more thing. This was another little freebie that they threw in, and it's just some hand sanitizer. It's the Evergreen, and it says with moisturizing coconut oil. Who doesn't love coconut oil? And let me see if it has a really smell or... Okay, yeah. Just stuck it up my nose. Yeah, this is like... It does. It has an evergreen smell to it. Kind of piney a little bit. But it smells very, very clean. As a matter of fact, let's see what it feels like. Okay. It's a pretty thick.
Yeah.
Not just like runny. I'm sure the coconut oil helps with that. Alright, y'all, so that is it for this haul of my Grove Collaborative order, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope you found it interesting. Maybe you learned a little something about it. And again, if you would like to check them out or try to get on like a membership with them so you have access to those exclusive holiday scents when they first come out, then be sure to click the link in my description box below and you can get a free gift. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see future videos that I post. And please drop me a comment below. Would love to hear what is your favorite Mrs. Meyers scent for this holiday season. Is it the Snowdrop, the Peppermint, the Iowa Pine, the Orange Clove, and I think those are the main ones. So anyway, drop me a comment and let me know what's your favorite. Bye, y'all.